8 reasons to grow your own herbs. Herbs are plants that are traditionally used to enhance the flavor of foods as well as offer loads of health benefits. During spring and summer, they are found in most stores and farmers markets. If you are passionate about cooking and have been wanting to start a garden, then growing herbs is a great start. With the right amount of sun, water and organic soil, they are easy to grow. Here are 8 reasons you should be growing your own herb garden this year. 1. They're fresh. Buying herbs from the store may seem easy, but fresh herbs can quickly go bad. Having your own herb garden means you can have any herb you want on hand and fresh, without the need to substitute for dry ones. 2. Save money. Herbs at grocery stores or even farmers markets can be quite pricey, especially if you are trying to make some delicious sauces or pesto that need larger quantities. You can simply save money by pulling the herbs from your garden without the stress of running out, because more will continue to grow from your initial investment of seeds or starter plants. 3. So healthy. Fresh herbs offer many health benefits. Most are anti-inflammatory, high in antioxidants and help aid in digestion. You can get all these benefits from your own herb garden without added pesticides. 4. Beautiful and smell fabulous. Herbs are highly aromatic and pleasing to the eye. They make great additions if you want to add a few pops of color, like violet from lavender. Feverfew is another choice that looks like small daisies with a bright yellow center and white petals. 5. Fun and easy. Most herbs are quite easy to grow, which makes them less stressful and more fun compared to other plants in the garden. You can grow herbs outdoors or even inside on windowsills or other areas of the house that have adequate sunlight. 6. More variety. A home herb garden offers what most stores can't, and that is variety. There are hundreds of herbs to choose from and the choice is yours. 7. They provide some pest control. If you are having trouble keeping insects or other pests out of your garden, then plant herbs such as basil, lavender or rosemary. These herbs are known to repel pests due to their strong scents. 8. Taste is exceptional. Fresh herbs offer the best flavor. That is because when picked, herbs release an oil that is responsible for their flavor. This oil breaks down fast, which is why herbs are best fresh and have such a rich flavor when first picked. As you can see, there are plenty of reasons why you should be growing your own herb garden. Your taste buds and wallet will thank you over time, and you will no longer need to make multiple trips to keep fresh herbs around the house. Do you want to learn about how to grow and prepare your own homemade remedies? Visit the link below in the description to learn more.